So basically, William was on a trampoline while me and Papa were blowing up these balloons, and we're gonna have an avalanche for him, and I can't wait to see their reaction. So let's pile those balloons down there. It's gonna take a little while, but who cares? It's gonna be fun. I might have to call him, but how am I gonna get out? Well, I guess I'll just call him. Hopefully he's inside. He's probably just eating an apple. Okay. Here comes more. Look at this big daddy purple balloon. It's humongous compared to all the other ones. This might take a while. Hope you don't mind. A lot of hard work. Wait, doesn't come in. Oh my goodness, there's so many balloons. Almost done. Over here. Okay, not too many left. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not done yet. There's only 5 more, but I can't wait to call him. Okay. But now I want to make them so that they're all piled up on the door. Okay. Okay, that's a lot. Okay. William! William, let's go! Okay, Papa was also recording. No reason what's happening, but it's gonna be good. Okay, have the balloon super tall. Okay, see, it's like stacked up to the door, and the door is like 8 feet tall. Oh my goodness. William, come help me bring up the balloon so we can avalanche Thomas. Uh-huh. Oh my goodness! Run! Let's go! Kick! Come here! Oh my goodness, William! How did you do this? Just a little work from no one. Get it down here! Oh my goodness! Now jump in them. Jump in them. But it's gonna fall. It's fine. Jump. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Holy moly. Okay, jump! No. Jump! Okay, I'm gonna jump. I'll jump. No. Jump! It's gonna pull. I know it. It's fine. Jump. It's gonna be fun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cannonball! Oh, that's scary. Okay, do it. Do you want me to do it? No. Okay, you sure? I'm gonna walk into it. Ugh. Of course. Try not to pop the balloons. Yeah!